Hello friends, we just received our San Francisco Bay coffee. It's a French roast, a really dark one. That's how I like it because I drink espresso or latte. And if I am going to put milk on it, I want it to be really dark, really strong. It comes in whole grain, but I already grind it, as you can see. Okay, and I use it in my Keurig coffee maker with these reusable pots. I use this small spoon. Of course, I don't use the bag. I am going to tell you where I put it right now. I'm just gonna do this so you can see how I am going to prepare one pot. That's it. You have to put this blue side over here. And I'm gonna make a regular coffee, and that's it. While it is brewing, I want to tell you that I use these plastic containers to keep my coffee, the coffee that I am using. So I am going to fill it up of coffee carefully. Okay. This coffee has a great smell. It tastes great. So as it is dark French roast, it's strong. The smell is really strong, and I like it very much. Okay. The brewer is already done. Okay. And that's about the amount of coffee that I am going to put here. I always leave this little spoon here so I can fill my pots whenever I want a coffee. And that's it. We keep it there. Okay? So this is the San Francisco Bay coffee, French roast, specialty arabica coffee. Really dark, really strong, and I like it very much. Thank you.